What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. In today's video, I am going to show you 2 ways to guarantee that you make more sales when you are reselling on Poshmark, on eBay, Mercari, Tradesies, wherever that you sell. This is guaranteed strategies that are going to work for you regardless of what you sell. I sell mostly women's clothing, but these strategies are going to work for everyone. And we're going to start right now. I want to go over a couple definitions, and sell-through rate is going to be how many items that you are selling out of how many items that are for sale. 100% is going to mean 100 items are available, 100 items have sold. 10% would be 10 items that have sold out of 100 that are available. So that is going to be your sell-through rate. Average sale price is on average, how much are items selling for? So if you sold a pair of jeans and you sold one for $10 and you sold one for $20, those would be an average sale price of, on average, your jeans are selling for $15. So let's jump into the data. First, I always recommend comparing to yourself, looking at your data, what is working for you compared to yourself. And then we are going to compare to the market, do some research on the market to guarantee that you guys are buying what is actually going to sell. This is the categories chart from my sales and trends dashboard. Up here is going to be your best selling categories, your BOLO. It means you have a high sell-through rate. So you're selling, ideally 100% of what you're purchasing, you are selling, and you're also going to have a high average sale price. That's the best world, right? You're selling every single thing that you are purchasing at a very high average sale price, selling at killer prices. Everyone's chart is going to look different, so you need to consider that. So up here, you can see electronics is up there. Intimates and sleepwear is up there, and then home goods. Electronics and home goods are not something that I purchase. I have a picker that buys them. I don't know enough about them for these to be my sell-through rates if I was sourcing those. So full disclosure on that. This starts for me with bags. So bags, of the bags that I have purchased, 73% of them have sold in the past year. That is a killer sell-through rate. And this is going to be, my sell-through rate for last year was roughly like 56%. 56% of the items that I purchased last year, 2020, sold. Anything above that is going to be above my average, 73%, an average sale price of $55. I'm keeping an eye out for bags when I go sourcing. Jackets and coats is up there, 60% sell-through rate, average sale price of $43. Sweaters is up there as well. I'm not going to get too much into my data. I just want to show you how to do that. What I really want to show you now is how to do it and compare to the market. So first, start with yourself. Always compare to yourself. Comparing to others is not apples to apples. You can't compare to me. You don't have the same sourcing that I have. You don't have the same knowledge that I have. Everyone is different. So always check yourself and look at your data and see what is working for you, because that's the knowledge that you bring to the table already. That is the inventory that you have access to already. When you want to look at the market, I'm going to show you how to do this in Terapeak, and it's super easy. Do some research. They are literally telling you what to buy. Let's get into it. So if you have an eBay store, you have access to this. They are doing some updates. I am filming this in Q1 of 2021. They used to do this thing called sourcing guidance. They are migrating it over to Terapeak Sourcing Insight. And they're doing a lot of new seller updates. So not everyone's, I've heard, looks the same, but eventually, if you do not have this, everyone should have this eventually. And definitely make sure to reach out to eBay and ask, hey, what's up? What's going on? Why don't I have this? So if you have a store, you come up to research, and then you go over here to Terapeak Sourcing Insight, and they are literally telling you what to buy right now. It is going to be specific to things that you have. I sell mostly women's clothing. So they are telling me these top categories right here that are great opportunities. And what makes it a great opportunity is you can click on this, but essentially more people are searching for this item than there are people listing. And the sell-through rate is high. So that means people are searching for this, but not enough people are listing this item. So for me, that would be activewear jackets. Athletic shoes are up there. If you guys know, we're in a pandemic. Some of these make a lot of sense. Coats, jackets, and vests. Dresses in women's vintage specifically is up there. You can see the search volume. So you have 3.6 million people are searching for jackets, coats, and vests right now. but the active listings are only 2.6 million. So it is telling you exactly what to go out and buy, what to look for. The search to listing ratio is 1.3. So you can see that's, 1.3% higher. More people are searching for it than there are active listings. The higher this is, the better that the opportunity is going to be. So you can come over here, you can see women's dresses in vintage clothing. There's only 131,000 active listings, and the search volume for that is almost 3.3 times the amount. The sell-through rate for that is also 5%. So you can scroll down and look at all of these different ones that it's recommending for you. And then what gets even better is you can click on this and it's going to give you a graph over time. What is your click-through rate? And this is increasing. This is one of the reasons that they're telling you this is a better opportunity. Your click-through rate is of people who have seen this item, how many of them are clicking through. So it doesn't mean they're making the sale necessarily. You still need to be good at your SEOs, your pictures, and getting people to convert into sales. But this is telling you people are clicking on this, and it is increasingly going up over time. You can also scroll down here and you can look at specifics. So I clicked on women's activewear. It's breaking it out by size. So if you are limited in funds and you're like, hey, I found this women's activewear jacket and I found 4 of them, I can only buy 2. Okay, it's telling you specifically what sizes are gonna convert better, right? So you have medium, you have small, you have large. Your impressions is how many times people are seeing this. This is coming across their screen, and then how many times they're clicking on it. So that's going to be a click-through rate here. And then how many active listings. So you want something that has a lot of impressions, but low active listings. So if you scroll down here, you can see, activewear as we get into extra larges. So if one of them was an extra large, I'd probably buy that. Look, the sell-through rate on extra larges is really gone up. There's also a department in the casual size small. Look at that sell-through rate. You come down here to these casual type of activewear jackets. These sell-through rates are killer. Again, extra large. So if you're outsourcing activewear jackets in an extra large, is going to be where the money's at. And then what is even better about this is you can dig even deeper into this. So you can dig even deeper and you can say, hey, I want to really look at women's activewear large. This is really helpful if you're buying large lots and you want to do research. But even when you're out at the thrift store, you can look at these and mentally have an idea of what you want to pick up. So I'm going to click on this little button and it's going to explore the item specifics. This is now taking me to Terapeak research product research, and it's populating women's activewear extra large. You can come down here and do the time period. You can, if you are buying like a palette, new with tag items, you can select new with tags. But if you scroll down here, this is telling you what is happening on eBay right now. You have actual data telling you what is working and what to buy. Average sale price for women's activewear, what did I select? Extra large. Average sale price is $32. Your sell-through rate is 10.52%. I will say on average for women's clothing on eBay, it's about 5%. Anything over that 5%, I kind of like ding, ding, ding. Let me look into this a little bit more, but that's a killer average sale price. And then you can go a little bit deeper and say, hey, I find a lot of Nike when I'm outsourcing, or I have access to a Nike palette. Is that something that I should pick up? Your average sale price increased to $43, which makes sense for Nike, right? And you're still having your sell-through rate is going to be up there as well. It also tells you average shipping. So if you're new to shipping, this kind of gives you an idea of on average how much these items are costing to ship. And then as well as free shipping. Do you want to do free shipping? Only 28% of people are doing free shipping. So maybe you do free shipping, maybe you don't. eBay is literally telling you what to buy and guarantee that you are buying items that people want. YouTube thinks that you should be watching this video. If you want more YouTube eBay, we're on eBay. If you want more eBay tips and tricks, you can watch this playlist and make sure to hit that subscribe button.